In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stacks in Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple group of elements into a flexible, responsive layout using stacks. First, make sure you have your Framer project open and you can see the canvas clearly. Start by clicking on the element or group of elements that you want to turn into a stack. This could be a set of buttons, cards, images, or any components that you want to align and space consistently. Just select them directly on the canvas or from the Layers panel, whichever feels more natural for you. Once your element is selected, go ahead and right-click on it. In the context menu that appears, look for the option labeled Add Stack. Click on Add Stack, and Framer will automatically wrap your selected element or elements inside a new stack container. You'll see the layout update on the canvas right away, often snapping your content into a cleaner vertical or horizontal arrangement, depending on your default settings. After the stack is created, shift your attention to the right sidebar. This is where you'll find all the properties and controls for customizing your new stack. Make sure the stack is still selected. You should see stack-related options appear, such as direction, alignment, distribution, gap, and padding. Now it's time to customize the stack so it behaves exactly how you want. In the right sidebar, choose the direction of the stack. Vertical if you want your elements on top of each other, or horizontal if you want them side by side. Adjust the alignment controls to decide how items line up within the stack, for example, centered, left aligned, or right aligned. Then tweak the gap value to control the spacing between each item. Increasing the gap creates more breathing room, decreasing it pulls elements closer together. You can also adjust padding to add space inside the edges of the stack container, helping your layout feel less cramped. Take a moment to play with these values and watch how the layout changes live on the canvas. The goal is to find settings that look good and stay consistent as your content changes. That's all there is to it. Click on an element, right-click to add a stack, then head to the right side